Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda Noel, and as you can tell in today's title, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 ways to make money in 2023. Everything that I list are things that I have done in the past or things I'm currently doing. So go ahead, get right into the video, and we're gonna see how we can make some extra coin this year. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Please don't pay that nigga sounds in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us.
So I have my pad right here. I have everything written down. So the first one is going to be affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you buy products from a company and they'll give you a commission for that product. And affiliate marketers is like Amazon, Walmart. I think Target has one, and big companies have them. But basically, like you're gonna buy products and then you're gonna go ahead and promote them on any social media platform. And if they, they fill in your drip or they fill in a electronic thing that you're promoting, whatever you're promoting, if they're feeling it, they're gonna go ahead and go to the link in your bio. Once they buy it, you'll get a commission off of it. It's that simple. I have done Amazon affiliate marketing in the past, and it's real simple. Some need you to have an application process. Like I think Walmart, Amazon, you can just sign up and then they'll approve you. And then once you do that, you can make your storefront and put a link in your bio and tell everybody to go there so you can get that commission. All right, number 2, getting paid off of Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. I personally am in the Reel Bonus program, and it's by invitation only. So basically, you have to have a criteria of like 1,000 followers, and you need to be active in Reels on Instagram. But basically, they'll pay you. In my opinion, Instagram pays better than Facebook. I see a lot of people getting a bag from Facebook, but Instagram pays better in my opinion. It takes way too long to reach your criteria to get paid off of Facebook and Instagram. I love their bonus program, and it's simple. Like, you make videos every day anyway, so why not get paid from your content? Like, everybody is getting paid off of social media, off their phone, off the internet. Like, that's all it is. TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, all of these websites that we're on every day are paying people. So why not? Third one is going to be by selling clothes or like shoes or items that you have that you don't want anymore, like Poshmark, on OfferUp. They were like all of those websites, they will buy your clothes. And I do see a lot of people make a good amount of money off of Poshmark. Poshmark, to me, that's a good website. It's just the prices that they put things on there. It's like, all right, sis, why would I want your hand-me-downs when I can pay the same price and get the real thing? That's my personal opinion, but you can make a bag off of it. And on Facebook Marketplace, so that's somewhere that's easy to get sales to. Everybody's on Facebook. So Facebook, you want to sell digital products like digital planners, ebooks. You know what I'm saying? If you have just a product that you personally make, like if you knit, or you want to sell your own personalized things, you can sell them on Shopify and on Etsy. So I like Etsy, I really do. They have unique things that you don't see on the everyday website. You know what I'm saying? Like Amazon doesn't have these things, and Etsy is just a real personalized website to get unique things. And that's what I love about Etsy. Yeah, I really like Etsy, and I love the fact that you literally can make your products on Canva, that you can go ahead and sell it, and you getting paid overnight. It's not an overnight process, but I'm saying, like, when people buy your stuff, you getting paid in your sleep. Who don't want to make money in their sleep? Who? You let me know who. If you know somebody who don't want to make money in their sleep, drop it down in the comments, because I'm telling you, it's money to be made out here. All you need to know is where to go, what to do, how to do it. And it's really simple. You can do all the research yourself. You know what I'm saying? It's just really simple to make money online these days. Super easy, and it's enough money out here for everybody. Everybody can eat. So the 5th one that you're going to be able to do to make money in 2023 is going to be if you make intros, banners, thumbnails, logos, you know what I'm saying? Anything that somebody will need, you can sell it. People don't want to take the time out to learn how to make their own things, so they want to go to somebody who already knows how to do it and go on Instagram. You can go anywhere. You can go on Pinterest and find somebody. Like, trust me, it's so easy to find people that sell these things, and it's so easy to make. Like, if you wanted to be one of the people to sell those things, you could go make your own, go on your Instagram, promote it, and people will literally, they'll be like, yo, you know what I'm saying? how'd you make this? Or how much you want to charge to make this? How much this? Make that money, sis. Make that money. It's not that hard. So that's all you need to do is just, you know what I'm saying? Research. And then once you get knowledgeable about the stuff, go ahead and sign up. It's not that hard. It's not that hard, sis. This year is all about growing, being wealthy, being healthy, all of that. And you know what I'm saying? Emphasis on the wealthy. And that's just period. So I want to thank everybody for stopping back at my channel to watch this video. Like I said, it's money out here for everybody to eat, sis. I'm telling you, it's so many ways to make money on Instagram, Facebook, social media, anywhere. You know what I'm saying? You just got to have that hustle and you got to just know you right get to that bag. Period. So thank you for stopping by the channel. I'm going to be dropping another video soon, so be on the lookout for that. And I just want everybody to like, comment, and subscribe and get me to that 100 subscribers, you guys. I'm telling you, like I said, I'm trying to go up. I just need your help. And I want to engage with you guys. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video.